Let me show you the alarm, timer and stopwatch on your Garmin VivoActive 6. So to launch any of these things, you are simply going to need to press your upper button, and in the controls menus you can actually add these things. By default they actually aren't added. So if you swipe all the way up, you can click this edit button over here, click add, and you'll be able to find them over here in this list. So they have added them. And also secondly, there is also a way, basically we can actually customize these buttons to actually launch a custom action. For example, you see if I press this, I can for example start my alarms, so like countdown timers. So what else we can here? Okay, stopwatch, as you can see, and timers as well. So for example, if I set this and if I long press, as you see, I can actually start my timer. So again, very cool. So let's maybe start first with this timer. So if you press the quick timer, you can essentially set the hours, minutes and seconds essentially. So again, you simply like swipe like this, and you see it adjusts. So the timer adjustment is actually very cool. And as you can see, we can set up for up to 24 hours essentially. And to start it again, simply click start and it's done. So again, you can also like pause it, like stop, like restart it as well. And also we can actually go out of this thing as well, and you see the timer is actually running in the background. If you want to quickly go back to this timer, you see you actually have this like quick thing over here. Okay, missed. As you can see, I can actually go back to my timer and see. So again, compared to the previous VivoActive 5, again, this wasn't actually possible on the previous Garmin watch. And basically when the timer is up, basically when you wear it on your wrist, basically it will buzz like crazy. So this watch doesn't have any like speaker, so again, only you will hear a buzzing sound essentially. And then let's check the other things. So again, simply press and hold this for a couple of seconds to bring up this menu. So for example, the alarms. Okay, it's stopwatch actually. So you see like normal stopwatch essentially. So you can also like record laps over here, as you can see. So pretty much probably unlimited amount of laps we can record. And also we can stop it and resume it. So any options here. Okay, so you can also save it and also disable this lap key here as well if you need. And then alarms here as well. So as you can see, you can set your alarm, confirm, and also, okay, so you have to actually like, yeah, basically configure these as well and click save. As you can see, you can actually add multiple alarms here as well, just as you need them. And again, also like, oh, also this has got this smart wake alarm. So basically what this does, it kind of looks at your sleep data and kind of judges in which sleep stage you are essentially, and only will wake you up at the correct time, so in the best possible like sleep stage. So again, this thing, I think basically it won't miss the alarm times that you actually set. For example, if you set it for like 3:29, then again the latest it will wake you up, it will be this time. But again, it will be able to also wake you up faster if this watch thinks that you basically are in the best like sleep stage position basically for you to wake up. So again, maybe it can wake you up at already like 3 a.m. instead of the 3:30. So if this watch thinks you basically are in the best sleep stage to wake you up, so you will feel the best basically when you wake up. So compared to the past VivoActive 5, I think this is actually like absolutely huge upgrade. So absolutely love this feature. Anyway, good luck.